I can go. I can take a shot at it.
Go
I
ahead.
can't think of a reason why you want to avoid a country for regulatory reasons, right? Yeah, I believe Lynn mentioned Biosecurity Act and China and IP and so on. But at the same token, I'll tell you, I mean, some of the best API process chemists are located in companies that are Chinese based, like Wuxi and others. So, if it works for you and you can make it work, use them. There's no harm in doing that. But, I can't think of any reason why you should avoid them. Now, having said that, I'll also say this, particularly with API synthesis. Most of the starting materials come out of countries like China and India, and there's no way to avoid it, right? Even though the final step or the actual synthesis might happen in a plant in Europe, they're still sourcing, intermediates and starting materials from China and India. So you can't decouple these supply chain nodes from your entire, uh, what should I say, process for making your drug substance,
Right.
right?